Good morning, guys. We got flat tires. So now I got this one. I used this one before and it works really good. So we need to clean that one out properly. But because this is the LT tires, so it's kind of like really tough to push this one through. No, I think it's ready to go. Alright, so now I'm just gonna add up because I'm gonna add up like a rubber cement. Oh shoot. There you go. Alright, you want in. That's what I want. Oh shoot. Hey. Oh, then it's just gonna cut that. I'm just gonna cut it. That should be good. Alright, so now let's add some air and see. Alright, so there's no air bubbles, so it means like there's no leak, no air leak. Alright, we're good to go. Alright guys, so like last time we just plugged that one up, and now I have another one, which was the same day. I just didn't really notice it. So see, as you can see, that freaking big nails right there. So we're gonna pull that one out and then we'll do the same way, just like what we did last time. Alright, so I don't know how big that is. We'll find out. Well, we gotta remove the air first. Alright, that should be good. Now we're gonna try to pull this guy out. Last time was the screw. Right there. Yeah, wow. Okay, right. Alright, so it's the same process. Now I'm just gonna add up some rubber cement. That should be good. Now where's that hole? What the hell? Yeah.
See you later.
Where are you going?
Going to Pasha, that's for one.
Oh wow. Lucky you.
Yeah.
See ya. Alright, so now we're done. We're just gonna trim it out. That should be good. So now we're going to inflate the tire. Okay, so we're good. Now we're just gonna test it if there's any leaks. It's right there, right? All right, that plugs works good. So this one works really well. I bought this one at Canadian Tire. They're just about less than $10. Okay. So we're done now. We did the back yesterday and now today, the front tire.